Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making delicious chickpea with cabbage. Healthy, tasty and budget friendly. I have a sweetheart cabbage that I'll cut in half and then half again. I'll take 3 well-ripe tomatoes that I've washed and I'll chop them up finely. And I'll finely chop 1 large onion. And lastly, I'll chop 3 cloves of garlic. To a thick bottom pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll add the 2 cabbage halves. Now that side is brown, I'll turn over and brown the other side. At this point, I'll turn the heat right down. And I'll go in with a heaped teaspoon of butter. And I'll smother all sides of the cabbage in the butter. And now I'll go in with a big pinch of thyme. And rosemary. Once again, I'll smother all the sides of the cabbage in the herbs and butter before removing the cabbage from the pan. I'll add a little more oil to the pan, turn the heat up and fry the onions till soft. Now that the onions are soft, I'll add the chopped garlic and allow that to cook out for a couple of minutes. Now I'll stir in the chopped tomatoes. I've turned the heat up and I'll let the tomatoes soften. After allowing the tomatoes to cook out for a few minutes, I'll add a teaspoon of paprika. And I'll go in with a generous amount of salt to taste. And now I'll stir in a heaped teaspoon of crushed chilies. To stop the pan from drying out, I'll stir in a little boiling water. And now I'll add a tin of drained pre-cooked chickpeas. And in goes some coconut milk. I'll check the seasoning once again and I'll turn the heat up to medium and add the cabbages. Once the cabbages are cooked all the way through and are soft and tender, it's time to take them off the heat. And there it is, delicious chickpea with cabbage. Tasty with white rice or on its own. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Drop me a comment. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.